Whether you are a novice microcontroller user, looking for a guide to start from scratch, and gradually make the passage from have knowledge of, to mastering the design of microcontroller-based projects and applications, or an educator looking for a contemporary book, featuring a unique perspective on the educational aspects related to the process of microcomputer programming and application development, or perhaps a hardware engineer who is interested in taking a deep insight into the modern sensor devices that constantly pave the way for new solutions in embedded systems, and give rise to an opportunity for creativity and innovation, then this book might interest you. Navigate to microcontroller prototypes through modern and freeware development tools, through practical and illustrative methods and examples. Learn by doing using over 60 firmware codes that constructively direct the learner's attention to a deeper insight of the involved procedures and tasks. Benefit from the over 200 colored figures incorporated by the book, depicting step by step the described processes, and providing metadata information of the topics under discussion. Use some of the most familiar and contemporary hardware tools for microcontrollers, such as the Arduino Uno, Microbit, Teensy, and Tinazero boards, which apply to projects such as environmental measurements, motion and orientation detection, gesture recognition, color sensing, and more. As an educator, take advantage of the recommended syllabus of 15 different lessons, providing information about the utilized hardware and software tools needed to explore each particular practicing example, as well as what readers can expect to learn by each session. Make use of the accompanying website www.microct.com to download the functioning source codes. Move to the final step of generating 3D printed enclosures for an integrated microcontroller prototype solution. Arduino Integrated Development Environment, Notepad++, Minimalist New for Windows, Nupla Command Line Driven Graphing Utility, Openglen Glut Open Graphics Library and Toolkit for Vector Graphics, FreeCAD, and Ultimaker Cura 3D Printing Software are some of the freeware tools used by the book examples toward generating firmware code for the microcontroller, software code for collecting measurements by the host PC, as well as modeling 3D cases for microcontroller prototype systems.